the jitters on Wall Street. World markets fell this morning, and now there are fears that the Dow could be in the grip of another bear market. CBS News business and economics correspondent Rebecca Jarvis is down at the New York Stock Exchange with the details. Rebecca, good morning.
Good morning, Maggie.
So we saw both world markets, the euro, take a major tumble over concerns over the debt crisis over there in Europe. What kind of scenario are we looking at here at home based on that?
Maggie, we're looking at a scenario here at home where there is a deep concern that Europe's problems could become our problems. If you think of the global economy, the global market as a three-legged stool with the United States as one of the legs, Europe as another, and Asia as the last, if one of those legs, and in this case it's Europe, becomes unsteady, then the entire stool, the entire global economy goes off course. And that is the concern this morning. And what we are looking at today as far as the markets are concerned is a possible close below Dow 10,000, which would be a huge mark for investors to look at and say, wow, I'm not feeling so good about this economy and this market.
So I'm sure that the next few days are going to be crucial. It won't be just about today. It'll be about this week.
It is very much about this week, Maggie. And of course, here in the United States this week, we'll be looking at our own economic data. In fact, yesterday, we came out with some decent economic data on the housing front. Existing home sales actually jumped more than many were anticipating. What we're going to be looking at today is consumer confidence and where that stands in the United States, which could be back, in fact, to where we were back in September of 2008, so a little bit better off. But the major question on the minds of traders as well as investors around the world is Europe and how it stands and how it will get through these debt problems that have destabilized the markets for weeks now.
All right, we'll watch that. In the meantime, we'll cling to that good news from the housing market. Rebecca Jarvis at the Stock Exchange. Thanks, Rebecca.
Thanks, Maggie.
A lot happens early on The Early Show, weekday mornings on CBS.